Hello kids, welcome back to our channel. Today we coloring capital letter alphabets and numbers. Yellow color. The next one is red color. Blue color. Brown color. Green color. And the last one is black color. Kids, now we draw and coloring capital letter alphabets. First we use yellow color. Now we draw A. A for apple. The next one is B. We again use yellow color. B for ball. The next one is C. Now we draw C. C for cat. The next one is D. We again use yellow color. D for doll. Now we draw E. E for egg. The next one is F. Now we use red color. F for fish. Red color. Now we draw F. F for fish, F for fan. The next one is G. G for goat. Now we draw G. And the next one is H. Now we draw H. H for hand. Kids, the next one is I. I for ice cream. Now we draw I. The next one is J. We again use red color. J for jackfruit. Now we draw K. K for kite. The next one is L. L for lion. And now we draw M. M for moon. Kids, now we use blue color. Blue color. Now we draw N. N for nest. The next one is O. O for orange. Kids, now we draw P. P for penguin. The next one is Q. Q for queen. Q for queen. Now we draw the letter of R. R for rose. And the next one is S. S for sun. Now we draw S. S for sun, S for snake. The next one is T. Now we use brown color. Brown color. Now we draw T. T for tiger. The next one is U. U for umbrella. Now we draw U. The next one is V. V for van. And now we draw W. W for wolf. The next one is X. Now we use green color. green color. Kids, now we draw X. X for X-ray. The next one is Y. Y for yolk. And the last one is Z. Now we draw Z. Z for zebra. Z for zoo. Now we draw numbers. First we draw the number of 1, and now we use black color. 1. O-N-E, 1. The next one is 2. T-W-O, 2. Now we draw 3. The number of 3. The next one is 4. F-O-U-R, 4. Kids, now we draw 5. F-I-V-E, 5. The next one is 6. We again use black color and draw 6. S-I-X, 6. Now we use blue color. Blue color. Kids, now we draw 7. S-E-V-E-N, 7. The next one is 8. Now we draw the number of 8. E-I-G-H-T, 8. The next one is 9. Now we draw 9. N-I-N-E, 9. The last one is 10. T-E-N, 10. Now we draw the number of 10. Kids, today we draw capital letter alphabets and numbers. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.